Welcome back, HARBROs, and happy New Year's Eve. Or if you're watching this tomorrow, happy New Year's. And today we're going to go over the 15% off coupon starting New Year's Day, starting tomorrow through the 4th. It is only 15%, but we'll also take a look at some of the heavy hitter items that normally don't go on sale. So let's jump right in. 15% off any single item with an asterisk. 4 days only, January 1st to the 4th. And we'll read it. We'll read the fine print. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store while supplies last. Valid the 1st through the 4th. Pre-sale included. Coupon must be presented at time of use. 15% off any single item. Purchase cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. So pretty straightforward coupon. Super coupon. 15% off. And again, the HARBROs know our bare minimum for looking for deals, and that's 15%. This is the bare minimum that we want to get off any tool, because Harbor Freight will always have coupons for things if you're patient enough. But for situations like this, there's 2 scenarios. One, you really need an item and it lines up perfectly. Good. You're going to get an extra 15% off. Or we're going to look at items that rarely go on sale. So that's going to be our focus here. So 15% off, not terrible, not the worst. 3.6 Rotkin. So the first one I want to look at, and this says online exclusive, is the Central Machinery 8 horsepower towable backhoe. I've seen a few other videos of people using this. Overall, I think it's surprisingly good, at least from the feedback that I've looked into. $3,000 is not a little bit of money, but this is one of those items that rarely goes on sale. Comes with the Predator 8 horsepower, 301cc engine. So that's great. It says it's great for trenching, planting large trees, or removing stumps. Tree stump removal side gig. That's the dream right there. But at $3,000, and we're getting it for 15% off, we're saving $450. And again, that's not a little bit. And still $2,550 is still a pricey item, but $450 off the Central Machinery 8 horsepower towable backhoe. Another one, also online exclusive, is the Central Machinery sawmill with the 301cc gas engine at $2,500. Use this heavy-duty portable sawmill to cut logs and flat stock. 2-year warranty is pretty solid on the emissions control system on the engine, and then 90 days from date of purchase. Not as great, but this is a sawmill. If you're cutting logs, and maybe you could find use in this sawmill. But at $2,500, again, very pricey. 15% off, get it down to $2,125. So saving $375. So huge savings, online exclusive, pricey item. Next is the Central Hydraulics, also online exclusive, 50-ton dual-speed hydraulic press. Now, who needs a hydraulic press? Or, I mean, I think it's probably who wants one. But here we have 50-ton 2-speed hydraulic pump for more versatility, $1,500. And at 15% off, getting it down to $1,275. So saving $225. Again, decent savings, but still ends up a little bit pricey. But those are the pie in the sky big deals that rarely go on sale, if ever. So the 15-20% coupons are going to be your best bet to pull the trigger on one of these big time items. If not, the other option is new tools. Now, I'll say this here and there. New tools tend to not go on sale, but of course some of them do. But we'll look at the new tools here. Skip on the Predators, because we know the Predators, there'll be generator sales up to 20% off, maybe 25% off. So generators, if you can wait for one of those deals. The Predator log splitter, $1,300. Again, one of those big time items. And at $1,300, 15% off, get it down to $1,105. Save almost $200. But where this could really come in clutch is, let's say, this Icon 3/8-inch drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound professional flex head, digital angle torque wrench. I'm not sure if this was out in time for the last torque wrench, but you probably expect a sale on torque wrenches once a year. Could be as high as 40%, so you might want to be patient. But in the case that you can't be, and you want it sooner, you don't want to wait for a possible sale, then this is where you pull the trigger on new items. because a torque wrench sale likely will only happen once a year, and then it's not promised. So at 350 and the 15% off, gonna get down to 297. So at least you'll shave and save over $50 off of the 350 for Icon. So that's a decent get. And most items under 20 bucks, they'll have a few sales of 20% off, $30, 30% off of $20 and under. So don't necessarily look at anything $20 or less. Maybe we have the new Franklin 22-foot reach type IAA 375 multitask ladder for 200 bucks. Can't say I remember that many Franklin sales. And this is a pricey ladder, but at 200 bucks and at 85% off, 15% off, 85% of the price, get it down to 170, save $30. And one that we can take a look at, this list has gone a little bit longer. And we'll look at the ones over 20 bucks, but we have the Doyle 15-inch high-performance adjustable wrench. Has a new lower price, similar to Instant Savings at 6% less. So this is just a new price that they've reduced. And so you'd be able to get this for an extra 15% off. And they have the Quinn Long Reach Universal Hose Clamp Pliers, 10% off already, down to 25 bucks. So you get down to 21.25. So something to look at. And the rest you can use the 15% on the new lower prices, which they don't last forever. I don't believe so. But maybe you could wait for the 30% off of $20 and under. But a few good options on Pittsburgh Engineers hammer, some gooseneck wrecking bars, or fiberglass hammer. But again, 15% off if you need an item and you don't want to wait for that extra 10%, because sales tend to go between 25, 35, maybe 40%. 15% isn't that bad, but you can get any of the items that you need now as opposed to waiting for the deals. But I'll leave it at that. Some big time items. I'm not sure if anybody's going to get those. Hopefully you got your free gifts. Let me know which ones. And yeah, as always, happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Happy New Year, Harbros. I appreciate everybody that watches these videos. Stay safe. I wish you the best. We'll keep going into 2026. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your